If you're searching for a dependable black ink cartridge that won't slow you down, the FLYFAR 67XL is worth a look. Designed as a high-yield replacement for HP printers, it promises sharp, consistent printing without the constant need to swap cartridges. That means fewer interruptions and more time to focus on what matters. This 2-pack of black ink cartridges fits a wide range of HP DeskJet and ENVY series printers, including popular models like the DeskJet 2700, 4100, 6000, and the ENVY Pro series. Whether you're printing documents for work or school, or just keeping up with daily tasks, compatibility won't be a concern. Each FLYFAR 67XL cartridge delivers up to 700 pages at 5% coverage, offering a significant boost over standard cartridges. This higher page yield translates into fewer replacements and better value over time. Plus, the black ink is water-based, ensuring smooth, clean prints every time. Installation is straightforward, and the package includes 2 cartridges plus a user guide to help you get started right away. The cartridges work seamlessly with your printer's existing setup, so you won't have to worry about compatibility issues or print quality drops. Choosing FLYFAR means you get what you expect: reliable performance, sharp text, and consistent output. It's a practical choice for anyone who needs dependable printing without the hassle of frequent cartridge changes. If that's you, this high-yield option could make a noticeable difference in your printing routine. With so many compatible models covered, this cartridge fits well into busy homes and offices alike. The quality and longevity it offers help keep printing costs manageable while maintaining professional results. It's a smart move for anyone balancing volume with quality. Ready to upgrade your printer's performance? The FLYFAR 67XL black ink cartridges bring together reliability, value, and broad compatibility. Try it when you're ready and see how smoother printing can change your day. In short, the FLYFAR 67XL is a solid replacement for your HP printer's black ink needs. With up to 700 pages per cartridge and wide device compatibility, it delivers consistent, high-quality prints that keep up with your demands. Worth a look if you want dependable ink without breaking the bank.